Hello, next community and deadheads, my people. So this is a little relief sculpture that the latest one. It's kind of fun because I thought, man, it would be kind of neat if they had brought in, say, granite slabs, and you could carve. This is a Grateful Dead playing up at Red Rocks in '78. And I could paint them in and do a little bit more detail. You know, this is the first attempt at it. I wanted to see how it looked, and this is a picture of Red Rocks that I took. But I think I might be on to something. It's kind of a fun thing, and I've made it so you can hang it as a ornament as well. And I can do multicolored prints. We're getting a little bit of detail in, but as I say, this is my first attempt to dial everything in. So we got Bobby over here, Donna Jean Godchow, Jerry. I think there's Billy, Mickey, Phil, and then Keith Godchaw's kind of just like, I don't know what happened there, but as I say, it's a 3D print, and it takes a 2D photo and then kind of interprets it, and then I kind of have to dial it in a little bit to see what I can do. Fun stuff. Stay tuned, more fun stuff to come from the black hole.